Salesforce Marketing Cloud allows us to tailor customer and resident journeys for those whom we are bringing into the fold of our property management organization. So, from the two journeys we're going to take a look at today, we can understand how potential applicants can come and be educated on our offerings for our apartments, our condos, and from the neighborhood and the community they will join. And then once they are part of that community, the types of outreach potentials that we have. Our first journey looks at a journey called the Washington, D.C. Awareness Journey. So this will focus on a data extension of prospects that live in the Washington, D.C. area, and it will walk them through a list of outreaches that are a combination of WhatsApp communications, text messages, and emails. So from this, we can understand that if they click on a link or button within our email, they're going to go down a certain path and they're going to receive different offers that would be possible if they joined our community. So we can see that there's a Friday night bowling event, an infinity pool notification, a speakeasy within the apartment and the property that we are currently managing and enticing residents of DC to come towards. Now, what the email open split component over here does, and what that flow trigger looks at, is it looks at once this journey is in progress, based upon the attributes of those contacts that are coming in from the data extension. Are they most likely to open this email? Are they least likely? And then we're bucketing the rest into a remainder. And so we can be as targeted as possible in understanding who our audience is, what communications they should receive, and what is their likelihood to convert and come on site for a tour at that point. The second journey takes place once they are a resident and they have come to our community portal. So once they are created within the community portal, within that experience site, they will get a welcome journey. So we can see the entry event is that they are a part of the resident experience community. They'll receive that automated email, and then based upon if they've clicked on that or not, they'll wait a period and they can see our upcoming events. Or dependent on the amount of emails that they have received up to that point in other data extensions, in other data that we are collecting in Marketing Cloud, we can separate what email they'll get if they're an undersaturated group, which means they have received lower than expected emails than on target. And then saturated means they have received above normal amount of communication for a individual with those contact attributes. So from both of these journeys, they will have a different experience within this resident portal where I can start my application process, but I can also self-service myself. I can get access to provide the concierge team with guest authorization, move-in inspection details, reserving an amenity, viewing my lease options and amending my lease, as well as events and my team at luxury real estate. This is all powered with Marketing Cloud combined with Salesforce Sales Cloud and Experience Cloud on one cohesive platform.